Hi y'all! Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 easy, simple ways to style your claw clip. So when I first bought my claw clips, I literally had no idea how to wear them and they kept falling out of my hair. And so I did a little research, I did a little practicing, and I figured out some ways that I thought were really easy and looked good, simple, no more than like 2 steps. So here it is. Please enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you're gonna try any of these hairstyles. Hopefully you got a little bit of inspiration. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so that I can get to know you more, and thank you for coming today.